Alright, hi guys, girls, Phil here, next 72 hours. Today we're looking at this Verne Trekking pad that I've picked up from South Korea. It's been in a few of my videos and YouTube posts and also Facebook and whatnot, and a lot of people have asked about it, so I thought I'd do this quick video to show you exactly what it's all about and how easy it is to actually set up. So it comes in this polypropylene case here, this travel case, and they also include this Tyvek paper case here. I've had this for over a year now, and obviously the case is showing its age. It's a bit stained and whatnot, but you know, it's still in 100% usable condition. On the front of the case here it just shows the different ways you can use that pad, either folded up as it comes, as the actual table itself, as a windbreak for cooking with, and as a flat pad to cook on to keep it stabilised. Down the bottom here it has all the information about it. So it measures, if we just take off this case here, you've got the polypropylene outer, and in here you've got this, they call it duralumin, which I guess is a type of aluminium or aluminum. Very hardy. You see it's almost in perfect condition still after a year's worth of usage. Lengthwise here it measures around about 314 millimeters, so 31.5 centimeters roughly. When it's compact in this case, it's only 10.8 centimeters in width, and it's got a thickness of about 1.1 or 11 millimeters there, so it's very thin indeed, and it's very, very lightweight. It weighs around about 230 grams, the table itself. So really it's not a huge amount of weight to put in your pack, and it's really an exceptional piece of kit for those people that are doing backpacking and trekking and hiking, or tramping as we say here in New Zealand, and want something, if you're not going to be at a hut or a place with actual camping tables out there, this is a great piece to have on you. When it's folded out like this and it just flips over, it's hinged like that, it's measuring the 31.4 centimeters this way. It's folded out, it's roughly 21.2 centimeters in width, and when it's folded out as a table it's got a height of just under 9 centimeters, so about 8.5 centimeters in height. So a great wee platform. I'll include some photos and stuff that I've used on some of my trips so you can see. So to put it together, it's very, very simple. You just take the one side, fold it out flat like that, and then you've got the two legs here like so, and they've got these pieces that fold out here, and down here you'll notice you have little slots, and on the end of each table leg you've got these tabs which you can see. I'll just zoom in a bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so these are the tabs that I'm talking about here on the end of each of these legs. You've got these cut out tabs and they're folded onto an angle, and then you've got these two slots here. So put simply, you just slide this along until those tabs go into the holes, slots, and just push it like so till it's nice and firm, and then it's well and truly stuck in there. And if we go on to the other side, I'll just turn this round. In fact, I'll turn it around this way so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, the action there. This side folds out, it comes along, and those tabs just slot in to the slots there like so, and then it's all done. And then basically all you need to do is take the table over, flip it like so, and then you've got your table platform there ready to go. So this is one of the pictures that you would have seen on the diagram. This is in its table form. If you had a gas cooker, and I'll put in a couple of shots from my last trip, put it up like that, like so, and you can put your gas cooker here, and whatever way the wind is blowing in, you can simply turn it to protect the cooker from the wind. Again, it does show on that diagram there, you can just take these out, so you need a little bit of force because it's very well and securely put in there, like so. Fold it out flat, and then you've got your nice base platform for cooking on there. So you can put your gas cooker or whatever it is, if you've got a bigger one, on there, and it's a nice solid platform to make sure that cooker's not going to topple over. And again, on the other picture, it just shows the table being used like this in its other form, how it comes in the packet, and that also will give you a nice stable platform to either eat off or cook on, or something hard to write on if you want to. Really depends. There's plenty of uses for it. It gives you a very nice solid platform there. So that's pretty much. When you're finished with it, you can put it back in its little tie-back case here, like so. The case is pretty tight, but it does fit back in. And then you can just put it back in its little plastic polypropylene case here. That just clips on like so, and then it's nice and protected for your next trip. On the back there you've got all the instructions on what not to do with it. Some real basic ones there, like don't sit on it, don't stand on it. That's fairly obvious. It's not going to take people's weight. Try and use it on flat ground. Keep away from jagged surfaces so that it doesn't get scratched. But really, you know, I haven't abided by that too much, and I've had it for over a year, and it's looking still fantastic. Not to disassemble it, and it comes out as it comes. Just leave it like that, and then it can get damaged by salt water if you leave it out for a longer period of time. So you know that's to be expected from the corrosiveness of salt water. And other than that, that's it. It's a great wee trekking table. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for joining me. Cheers.